Right, Nate, we've had some hot weather and it sounds like those numbers are just going to keep going up. It's getting warmer out there.
Yeah, we've got a bit of a heat wave in store as we get into the rest of the weekend, early next week. Delayed image coming in. This is Red Cliffs Lodge in Moab showing off the gorgeous evening that we had there along the Colorado River. Temperatures, though, current 75 degrees there. Colorado River feeds into Lake Powell, which has now hit its peak water level, essentially. Its peak rise and runoff sitting at 65.3 feet. It's just leveled off. In fact, it dropped 0.2 of an inch yesterday. It's risen a half of an inch or so today, but for the most part, it's leveling off with the overall curve. And hey, 65 feet in one season, one runoff season, we'll take that, even though it still remains about 115 feet below full mark. Weather headlines for your Saturday. Sizzling heat's going to continue. We're staying dry as well, so high pressure's building in. That's going to keep our temperatures above average. We were pretty close to normal highs today, just a couple degrees above average. We had fire potential in the southeast corner of the state. We're going to increase it, I think, statewide. Even though red flag warnings haven't been issued yet, we've got some wind to deal with, as well as temperatures sizzling hot across the state. Winds primarily in the afternoons. They'll be out of the south and the west across southwest portions of the state. Let's back that up. As we get into Sunday afternoon, plan on some breezy to blustery winds. Hanksville, 23-mile-per-hour winds expected tomorrow evening. We'll see a similar pattern set up into Monday. So some breezy winds coupled with triple-digit heat across southern Utah certainly spells recipe for high fire danger, with fuels drying out and fires that will spread very quickly. So keep that in mind. Fortunately, we don't have thunder showers or thunderstorms in the forecast that would start or spark wildfires. It would all be human-caused fires if there are any. A weak disturbance brushes by into early Monday. Otherwise, high pressure is the main feature. This is into Thursday. Not much change. Overall, we could start to see a bit of a cool down or some relief later in the week as northwest flow takes over, but Futurecast showing clear skies again tomorrow. Plan on a weak disturbance brushing by, bringing a little bit of cloud cover, but it'll be overnight for northern Utah into Monday morning. Might see an isolated shower or nocturnal thunderstorm, but that's 3 o'clock Monday morning. By the time we head out the door Monday for work, it should be out of here. We'll see clear skies take over again. So pretty quiet weather overall. Temperature-wise, right now and into tomorrow, plan on, we're 81 right now, should be in the mid to upper 90s. In fact, forecasting a high of 99 for Salt Lake City on Sunday afternoon. In St. George will be 104, similar temperatures to today. We'll start to gradually increase our temperatures towards the end of the week. In fact, 105 on Monday and on Tuesday, Wednesday 107, and on Thursday should top out close to 110 in southern Utah by Saturday, so flirting with record highs by the end of the week. Just sizzling hot temperatures, some relief overnight with 70s for overnight lows, but for the most part, it's going to be a toasty week in southern Utah. Normal highs about normal average high temperature in St. George is about 102, so we're used to these triple-digit temperatures. Wasatch Front 99 today or tomorrow and on Monday, 97 on Tuesday. Sunshine taking over again through the rest of the week. Temperatures with that northwest flow should come down just a touch. We'll be in those 94-degree range, 93 on Thursday, Friday. Breezy winds are sticking around with that northwest flow, but no real moisture is in sight. In fact, we're going to keep clear skies through the rest of the week. Saturday, 95 degrees. We should be right near there again on Sunday as well. So it's kind of that copy-paste forecast. Got to find ways to beat the heat.